Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Fry with a new video and a new topic. Today we will discuss about FIRS. The Food Safety Department, Dubai Municipality regulates the registration process under the Food Control Department, Food Import Re-Export Service, which is also called FIRS. We cannot clear any food consignment without FIRS. The required documents for FIRS are Bill of Entry, Delivery Order, Health Certificate and Certificate of Origin. These are the minimum requirement for FIRS. To create FIRS, you must log in into Dubai Municipality portal, which is dm.gov.ae. After logging in, go to dashboard, then click on all services and choose an option which is apply to business imported food consignment for sale in local market. By clicking this option, we have to select my service, then click to request for food consignment release permit. Here you have put all details regarding your consignment. After filling all information, you can generate FIRS. For making FIRS, you must need your company to be registered in Dubai Municipality. Express Fairway Freight LLC is dedicated itself to fulfill all requirements when it comes generating FIRS. EFF helps you to get FIRS easy and affordable. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in description box. Thank you.